Hello, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to set up Variable Price Barcode Parser to utilize particularly with this label here. So this is a price embedded barcode, and so first we need to make sure that we have this app that's called Variable Price Barcode Parser, and then we want to make sure that the configuration is complete and that app is ready for use. And to do that we would navigate to Settings, Accessibility, and make sure that Variable Price Barcode Parser is turned on. Right here, it's turned on. And if it were turned off, like so, and we were to open the app, the message would look like this. And at this point it would tell you open Settings, go Accessibility, and then Services. And then select Variable Price Barcode Parser app, turn on Variable Price Barcode Parser. So go to Settings, Accessibility, and Services are Variable Price Barcode Parser. Turn on, say OK, and confirm either with a fingerprint or with the with your code. Let's see if we can protect our code. Okay, I think we got it. I think I need to enter this button there. Okay, and so there it is. It's turned on, and now that it's turned on, the configuration is complete. And then there's the matter of setting up the item, right? So I'm not really sure what item this is, but we'll just call it what it is on a label. And we're going to go to the Clover inventory app and click on Add Item, and we're just going to give it the same name. All right, and the unit, the price type needs to be not fixed but variable. Okay, and we're gonna leave alone the item cost, but if you want to fill it out, that's fine. And cost is different from price. Cost is what you as a merchant pay, not what customer pays. And then there is the matter of product code. This is the field product code. And what we're going to put in there is the first part of this barcode here. And I believe it's going to be all zeros, which is 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So we're looking for the first 6 digits, and we're just going to give that a try. And if that doesn't work, we'll shift 1, but we'll find out in a minute. So here's the barcode, and here's the register app, right? So I've closed my inventory after saving this item, and now I'm going to my register app. And I'm simply scanning this barcode, and another item gets picked up, an item that's called test. So let's see what's going on. So it's probably test. A bunch of them. Okay, I got it. Okay, so the reason why this is happening is because the product code in this case is going to be the thing flipped, hold on. So the product code is going to be 0001, so like 5 zeros followed by a 1. We're just gonna ignore one of these zeros, and let me go ahead and do this. I'm gonna just quickly clean up my inventory here. We're going to get rid of this item, delete, and we're going to find our phenos. Here it is. And we're gonna get rid of one of the zeros and add 1. All right, so that's it. And now we're going to register app, and we're going to save this order and start a new one. And I am going to so there is our barcode here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scan, and there's the phenos 2420, right? So that's kind of how that would work with the Variable Price Barcode Parser app. Thank you.